Indeed, young one, the Sharoon has spoken true. Good questions. In fact, the volcano did blow up, but alas, I am sorry to say that the most recent occurrence of such a glorious blowing was in the year 1708, nearly 300 years ago. That means that the last time Mount Fuji blew up, that I was a mere minus 265 years young. Imagine it. Upon my long 6-hour ascension of the legendary mount, although it did not blow up, I did spy within its chasmous crater various plumes of rising steam and the distinct odor of sulphur. In fact, though I climbed the mountain at night and the top was covered in snow, it was distinctly warmer at the top than on the way up, due specifically to the warm lava that no doubt lurked within its secret caverns, waiting for its chance to leap at me. So no, I am loath to report that the lava did not come out. But I was on top of the lava because I was on top of the mountain. Once I had attained the peak, I sat down for a smoke of my corncob pipe and enjoyed the sunrise from a most fabulous front row seat. I am also happy to report that going down a mountain is distinctly easier than going up one. In fact, I dare say we rolled down the mountain in a heap and scarcely stopped until we hit the bottom. Why, do you ask, did I climb such a formidable peak? For this pair of shorts. It should also be noted, however, that winning and wearing such shorts also grants one entry into the distinguished Order of the Pacific Vagabond, of which I am now happily a member, and may wear my shorts as oft and as proudly as I please. Next question.